Minister Malik, Minister of Energy of Pakistan, thank you so much for joining us on FMF TV. It's a real honor to have you with us.
Very kind of you. Let me start by expressing my gratitude for the kingdom for inviting Pakistan at this critical forum. I think it could not have been held at a more opportune time because the world is transitioning towards cleaner energy and the energy intensity is increasing. There is a lot of volatility, strife in the world, which is magnifying the volatility. The greenfield mines are on the decline, and countries like Pakistan, by having a seat at such events, can fill in that gap, which is, maybe needed to sustain this growth, because Pakistan houses more than 2,000 kilometers of the highly prospective Tethyan metagenic belt, which means that there is huge potential, untapped potential that we can delve into and sustain this energy transition.
So what does the world need to know about Pakistan when it comes to critical minerals, and what can we expect in 2026?
So, as I stressed, the Tethyan belt, which is highly prospective, passes through Pakistan. It enters Pakistan around Chaghi, then goes up north, and it has about 2,000 kilometers of passage in Pakistan, and there are various indications, various mines currently under development in that area. In fact, one of the largest mines, the open pit mines, Reko Diq, which has Barrick as the operator, has attained financial close, and hopefully we should have it operational by late 2028, and once that mine is developed, it will be able to provide around 400,000 tons of copper to fuel the electrification demand that the world needs. And on top of the prospectivity in terms of minerals that we have, Pakistan in the last 2 years, under the stewardship of Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, has been able to embed macroeconomic stability, which means that if foreign capital comes in, there are no risks for repatriation of profits. Today, Pakistan's achievements are being validated by all the multilateral agencies. You can look at the reporting coming out from IMF, World Bank, IFC, and all the rating agencies, S&P and the others. And I think this is the ecosystem that is needed to funnel patient capital into countries and destinations like Pakistan.
Minister Malik, thank you so much for joining us on FMF TV. I'd keep you for longer, but I know your delegation's over there and they're about to kill me.
Thank you, very kind of you. All the best.
Thank you.